In front of me is REALME Narzo 60, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Start by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner and click on Files section. Then, to add an audio file, click on Audio at the top and hold one of your files or tap on one of those apps. You can also access your file by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner and choosing one of those sources. Either way, after holding your file, click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully added. To add a video file, click on Gallery instead of Files. Then look for your video over here, and when you find it, click on it. If you can't find it, tap on Folders and look for it over here. Then just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!